Hello folks, welcome to another episode of Tips with Todd, provided by ITIS Reno. My name is Todd Catella, and this video will be about how to crimp RJ45 modular connectors to Cat5, Cat5E, or Cat6 cable using the 568B wiring pattern. We start with the tools. We're going to need the crimpers, scissors or snips, a ring stripper, the actual modular end, and the cable. Now we prepare the wire. So you grab a hold of it, grab your ring stripper. We're going to use the notch at the very end of the ring stripper right there. You go in about an inch from the edge of the cable, put it in the notch of the ring stripper just like that. Go around one time and only one time so you don't risk cutting conductors. On this one you just pinch and take the ring strippers off, and then the jacketing comes right off. Now most cable have a string, also known as the ripcord, but for RJ45s we don't need it. We are going to cut that guy off. And this is what our cable is going to look like. We have the 4 pairs, blue, orange, green, and brown. We are going to get them sorted here in just a second. So we have our cable ready. So we got to untwist the conductors and get them ready. So for 568B, we got to move our orange pair slightly to the left and our brown pair slightly to the right. Now if green is in front of the blue, we would lean it forward, but here it's behind, so I'm going to lean it back a little bit. So this is what you should be working with: orange to the left, brown to the right, green in the back, and blue straight up. Now, to start getting the cables ready, we untwist the blue, leaving the solid blue on the left and the white blue on the right. You'll see me running it between my fingers. That just helps get some of the waviness out when we go to put it in the connector. Now we untwist the green pair. We put the solid green to the right of the white blue, like that. And then we put the white green to the left of the solid blue, like that. So that'll be our 4 inner conductors. You'd have white, green, blue, white, blue, green. Now we untwist our orange pair. We put the solid orange to the left of the white green and our white orange to the left of the solid orange. So we have that so far. Now we got to untwist the brown pair, and with the brown we leave it so the white brown is to the right of the green and the white brown is to the right of the white brown. So holding it like this, you should have white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, brown. That's the 568B style. Now to get it ready for the connector, I usually just hold all 8 in my hand and I just give them a little twist like such. You don't have to do it hard. It's just getting it, it'll make it a little easier to get in the connector. Double check, make sure your pattern is right. Now, spec says we want to trim it a 1/2 inch from the edge of the jacketing here. So I don't have my tape measure, but I'm going to eyeball about a 1/2 inch. Always keep them pinched so you don't let them come undone and end up with a different pattern. So that's what it'll be trimmed. Take your modular end and you slide them in, and it should slide in with very little resistance. You will see before we crimp, this is what it looks like, and it goes white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown, which is the 568B wiring pattern. Now we are ready to crimp the wire. So some crimpers have 1 hole, some have 2, but if you look at it, you'll see one says 8P, one says 6P. we're going to use the 8P for 8 position. You put your jack or the plug in the 8P, keeping a little pressure on the cable because you don't want it to fall out because it'll be a mess if it does. You go ahead, you crimp it, and then this is what our connector will look like. And we'll verify that this is the 568B wiring pattern. Next, in a different video, we are going to test the cable to make sure we did it correctly. Thank you for watching Tips with Todd, provided by ITIS Reno. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos coming soon. Also, you can find any of the images or resources used in this video at www.itisreno.com/docs, DOCS. Again, thank you.